Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a very long-awaited video, and by long-awaited I mean that this has probably been one of my most requested videos throughout my entire Instagram career. People have been asking me for a hair care video, and I'm just now finally getting around to filming one. I'm actually, as an influencer, you get to try out tons of different products, which is awesome. And I get to try out a lot of different things, and so I finally got to the place where I found a few of my favorite hair care items that I'm absolutely love, and I'm ready to share with you guys all my tips and tricks on keeping my hair healthy and how I do it with extensions and hair color and all of that. So let's get started. Okay, so first up, hair color. The only hair color I have used for the last couple years is Arctic Fox. Arctic Fox hair color has been my go-to hair color. It is a conditioner-based hair color, so it's a direct dye mixed with a hair conditioner, and it is cruelty-free, vegan, and harsh chemical-free. So when you use this hair color, it is completely safe for your hair. It's basically like putting in a conditioner that has a color in it, and I've been using it for years and I absolutely love it. I had a mixture of aquamarine, and this is the Aqua Mist Diluter. It looks white. It's actually basically the conditioner base that you mix with the color, and it lightens the color. So if you wanted this blue, which is a very highly pigmented blue, to be a softer pastel, you mix it with the diluter. So I mixed these two together and I created this beautiful blue that I had I was about 4 weeks ago now, and this is my hair faded. I've been to the beach multiple times. I've been swimming in a chlorinated pool, and yeah, this is how my hair faded, and I would have freshly colored it for this video, but I'm actually just about to do a hair makeover, so I'm gonna get these extensions taken out and recolor my hair, so I didn't want to touch it until that process happens. So yeah, you guys get my month-old faded out hair, but honestly, like, this is, to me, is not that bad. It's actually kind of like a nice foamy light bluish green, and I think it's kind of mermaidy, so I'm like rocking it until I'm ready to take out my extensions and redo the color. But yeah, it's ready. Oh, little disclaimer, all these products that I'm about to feature in this video are not sponsored. So these are products that I have either purchased for myself or were gifted and absolutely love. However, I do have an affiliate link with Arctic Fox, so I have a link that gives me a small commission on what you purchase and also gives you a small discount, so it's a win-win. So how often do I color my hair? I probably only color my hair, well, honestly, it really just depends on the color. So if I'm doing a darker color, they tend to last a lot longer than the pastel lighter colors. The pastels will usually fade first, and the neons and things that are really bright and soft will fade the quickest. And my darker colors, like when I do a dark blue or even add purples in there, those tend to last longer. So it can really be different depending on the color of that I'm using. But I feel like I usually color my hair about once a month. Maybe more if the color is lighter and it faded quicker. Or if I happen to go swimming a lot that month, my hair will definitely fade very fast. So how do you keep your hair from fading quickly? Don't wash it. No, actually, I'm not kidding. Like, wash your hair as little as possible. I know for some people this is harder to do than others. I actually have very dry hair, and it's from, pretty sure it's from like all the bleaching and processing that I did earlier to get it light and blonde. It tends to be very dry, so I don't get very greasy hair, so I don't really even need to wash it that much. And I feel like if it starts to get a little dirty or whatever, there are some products that help for that too. So I probably wash my hair about once a week, longer if I can, depending on how much I sweated that week and how gross my hair is at the end of the week. But I will try to wash my hair probably once a week. So if you are in mid-washing week and you feel like your hair is just getting a little greasy or heavy, or it just needs like a little bit of a like pick-me-up, Arctic Fox, yes, Arctic Fox, just came out with some hair products along with their hair dye. So again, I'm obsessed. I love this brand. they came out with their Arctic Fox Vacay Volumizer Dry Shampoo. And this is amazing. I am not really a dry shampoo fan. I don't really use it. Like I said, my hair is already dry. I didn't really find a use for it. But I have used this before when I'm in a bind and I feel like my hair is just getting kind of like greasy feeling or flat. And this stuff is amazing. It kind of goes on like a light powder and it gives your hair like a little boost and it makes it smell good and it just adds like that freshen up. So this is really good if you're trying to really elongate those hair washes and you want to have like a little bit of a fresh little hair pick me up. All right, so hair washing time. So that once a week comes around and it's time to wash my hair. I call this my hair washing day because it is quite the event. I am really big on conditioners. I actually don't really like shampoos that much. And I think that people struggle with having colored hair because they're probably using a shampoo and washing their hair often, and that strips your hair of the color and it dries your hair out. And it's really hard to maintain a nice, fresh, vibrant color if you're using shampoos and washing hair often. So when I am really needing to wash my hair, like it's just starting to feel really gritty at the top and dirty, I actually use this DP ABC apple cider vinegar hair rinse. It has color locking technology. It gently removes impurities. It's infused with argan oil, fire tulip, lavender extract, aloe vera, and more. And I actually really like this stuff. It doesn't smell crazy and it doesn't, oh, what do they call it? Like it doesn't like soap up when you put it in your hair. So it's kind of weird. It doesn't really feel like a shampoo, but you put your hair in sections and I mostly just do my roots with this. And I just kind of massage it in, let it sit, and it makes your hair feel so soft and nice. And it just feels really good, and I like the results of this hair product. So after I shampoo my hair, I will usually put, jeez. I will put in a deep conditioner, and I just started using this product, which I am also obsessed about, and yes, it is from Arctic Fox, so you know it's good. This is called Pool Party. It is an ultra hydrating foaming hair mask, and you can put this in before you get in the shower. So if you just want to condition your hair, you can actually just stick this in on your hair dry, or if you have washed your hair with the shampoo rinse and you want to condition your hair, you can put this in on your wet hair and then rinse afterwards. It has a lot of great stuff in it. One of the ingredients is castor oil, which helps your hair grow. And it has argan oil in it, which helps with frizz, and a bunch of other goodies in it. So I love this product, and yeah, Pool Party Arctic Fox Deep Mousse Conditioner. Okay, so you just deep conditioned your hair. It is all wet and feeling soft and moisturized. The next tip I'm going to show you is actually something a hairdresser friend of mine showed me, and it has made a huge difference in my hair health, and that is using a microfiber hair towel. So microfiber towel is basically just a very soft, gentle towel, and you don't even realize that when you're using a towel, the damage it can cause to your hair. If it's like a rougher fabric, it can actually cause breakage. So using a microfiber towel is very soft and gentle on your hair, and it's kind of nice. It has like this little shape where you stick it on, you twist this bottom end up, and you attach it to this little button, and it serves as a nice little hair wrap to dry your hair, and it's soft and gentle. So after your hair it feels nice and dry, next thing I do is I apply this product called Magic Mane. And this is a detangling, frizz-fighting, heat-protecting spray. And it is vegan, and there's no sulfates, parabens, or any nasty chemicals. So this is a really great product to just spritz in your hair after you have air dried it and you want to add some protection. Especially if you're going to be using heat tools. But if you want to skip some of the heat tools, which I highly recommend, I feel like heat is probably one of the most damaging things to hair. What I'll do is when my hair is towel dry, I will split it down the middle, and I'll do 2 braids on either side. I'll usually do like the Dutch braid that starts really close to your head and Dutch braid all the way down, and do like a little elastic tie, and I'll sleep in it And then in the morning when I wake up, I'll take it out and my hair has this beautiful crimpy wave that feels very mermaidy. And honestly, I do that most of the time so that I can use as little heat as possible to style my hair. And then by the end of the week, it starts to soften out and kind of like has this like wavy look to it. So yeah, use as little heat as possible, wash your hair as little as possible are some of my main tips. So one of my last tips I'm going to share with you is your pillowcase. So this is a silk pillowcase, and this has made a huge difference in my hair health. Having a silk pillowcase is kind of similar to the idea of having a microfiber towel, where you're just causing, it's very gentle and you're causing less breakage and damage on your hair. And honestly, it just makes your hair feel better in the morning if you have like this nice silk pillow. It doesn't come out frizzy, and it definitely helps with breakage for sure. So silk pillow is a must, guys. Silk or satin. I've had some satin pillows and to me they work just fine. This one is silk, but yeah, satin works. And you can find both of these products on Amazon for pretty affordable, so definitely a must-have. Alright guys, so that is it for my hair care tips video. I hope you enjoyed this hair care video, and let me know if you have any comments or questions down below. I will try to answer as many as I can. And don't forget to shop the links. I have the link to the Arctic Fox products in my bio, and also we'll add all the Amazon products to my Amazon shop. So check out the link in my bio to shop all these goodies, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.